Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to lock apps on Android. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to simply go to your settings or phone settings. You can swipe down and look for the gear icon. Tap this one right here. On your phone settings, you have to scroll down again and look for security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy here. In security and privacy, you have to scroll down again and then look for privacy. Or you can also see that in the other settings, which is device and data protection. So you have to click this one right here. And then as you can see, there are some options including apps, specifically app lock. So what you're going to do is you have to click app lock right here, tap this one, and then tap on enable. So protect your privacy by locking your apps, and now you can use your lock screen password or custom PIN. This time I will be using my lock screen password, and all I need to do here is to click this one, and then I can now add or enter my lock screen. So it is dark for security and privacy purposes. Once done adding password and also fingerprint, then you can now go and search for that specific application that you want to lock. So go to the search icon. Let's just say you want to lock your Telegram application, toggle this one on. Now you can exit and then locate that specific application, for example, Telegram. Now you cannot open Telegram unless you add your lock screen password, your custom PIN, or fingerprint. And that's how easy it is to lock apps on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.